I am either in the laundry room or my kitchen on most days, but when I was asked to use this cool new product, laundry detergent sheets, I was so excited to get started and see what this was all about. So here's what I found out. The box contains 100 loads. There are 50 sheets. You just gently rip the sheet apart, one load per half sheet. So I gave this a shot with a load of my kids' clothes and tossed this in the machine. I have a top loading machine, put it in there. I did use fabric softener just because I wanted the clothes to smell good once they were washed. I found that the laundry detergent sheet cleaned as well as my liquid detergent. I avoided any mess. I didn't have to dispose of the detergent cup. I simply put this in the machine, shut the lid, and turned it on. It is ultra concentrated. The clothes came out just as clean as they would have had I used the liquid detergent. I like this concept because we do a lot of traveling over the summer, and I thought, how cool is this? I can pop this in our RV, and when I'm ready to do laundry, I can just toss this in, and I'm good to go. I don't have to drag around a big liquid detergent container with me. The smell of the sheet is very pleasant. It does have a clean, fresh linen scent to it. But I was very excited to give these a shot. I'm definitely sold on the detergent sheet concept. I never heard of this before, and I'm super excited to continue using these, and I highly recommend these as part of your laundry routine.